Hi there, before buying the new DJI Mavic Mini drone, consider the following pros and cons. Pros: it is a 249-gram lightweight drone that captures 2.7K video at 30 FPS, and fits in the palm of your hand. Its footage is stable, battery life exceptional. Due to its weight and portability, it doesn't need to be registered with your local authorities. Most affordable high-quality DJI drone for now. Had great 3-axis stabilization. Cons: number 180-degree camera tilt. No object tracking. Number 4K capture. In conclusion, Mavic Mini is a compact, foldable drone. Provides quick-shot automated flight modes, has 30 minutes flight time. At 249 gram, the Mavic Mini is exactly 1 gram under the weight, which requires drone registration in the UK and US. It's an outstanding pocket drone for serious enthusiasts and professionals. Should you buy the DJI Mavic Mini? If you are getting into drone videography and want a guaranteed quality solution, the new Mavic Mini is a must-buy. Check out the link in description below this video to learn more or buy directly from DJI store. Remember to subscribe to get new tech updates.
Dolphin in the sea, rolling in the waves, flirting with the breeze. Got my sunny shades on, play my favorite song. Thankful for the charm, I'm rocking in my phone. I am looking for attention, I don't need the extra tension, cause I'm in the fourth dimension. Trapeze high in suspension. Now don't bother with the haters, cause they all be imitators. Real life manipulators, get fit, back up and see you later. I like me for me, I'ma be what I'ma be. You think it's out of space, but I know that it is real. Sipping Topo Chico, La Coco Puerto Rico. Naked dance waterfall, anywhere that we go. I am looking for attention, I don't need the extra tension, cause I'm in the fourth dimension. Trapeze high in suspension. Now don't bother with the haters, cause they